Hello, welcome to English Shadowing Practice. I will say each sentence twice, and you repeat after me. Let's begin. Morning routine. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I fold my blanket. I fold my blanket. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. Breakfast. Leaving home. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I drink my tea. I drink my tea. I eat bread and eggs. I eat bread and eggs. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I check my phone. I check my phone. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I take my bag. I take my bag. I leave the house. I leave the house. Travel, work, school. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I pay the bus fare. I pay the bus fare. I look out the window. I look out the window. I arrive at my stop. I arrive at my stop. I walk to my office. I walk to my office. I greet my coworkers. I greet my coworkers. I start my work. I start my work. I check my emails. I check my emails. During the day, I answer phone calls. I answer phone calls. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I talk to my boss. I talk to my boss. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I take a short break. I take a short break. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I enjoy my food. I enjoy my food. I talk with my friends. I talk with my friends. I go back to work. I go back to work. I finish my tasks. I finish my tasks. Going home. I leave the office. I leave the office. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I listen to music. I listen to music. I arrive at my stop. I arrive at my stop. I walk home. I walk home. I open the door. I open the door. I put my bag down. I put my bag down. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. Evening routine. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I watch television. I watch television. I call my friend. I call my friend. I talk with my family. I talk with my family. I laugh and smile. I laugh and smile. I drink some water. I drink some water. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. Night routine. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I check my phone again. I check my phone again. I reply to messages. I reply to messages. I plan for tomorrow. I plan for tomorrow. I write in my diary. I write in my diary. I read a book. I read a book. I relax on the bed. I relax on the bed. I turn off the lights in the living room. I turn off the lights in the living room. I go to my bedroom. I go to my bedroom. Getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face again. I wash my face again. I comb my hair again. I comb my hair again. I change into my pajamas. I change into my pajamas. I lie down in bed. I lie down in bed. I look at my phone for a while. I look at my phone for a while. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. Extra common daily sentences. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel tired. I feel tired. I am hungry. I am hungry. 84. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. 85. I am busy. I am busy. 86. I am free now. I am free now. 87. I am going outside. I am going outside. 88. I am staying at home. I am staying at home. 89. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. 90. Please come here. Please come here. Polite phrases. 91. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 92. You are welcome. You are welcome. 93. Excuse me. Excuse me. 94. I am sorry. I am sorry. 95. No problem. No problem. 96. How are you? How are you? 97. I am fine. I am fine. 98. See you later. See you later. 99. Good night. Good night. 100. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You have done good job. Bye bye.